What are you gonna do? We're driving off. You better take off. He wants a ride. Honey, he's gonna go all the way with us. Get him some French fries. He wants French fries. He's not gonna leave. He's not gonna leave until we get him French fries.
That fucking bird is funny as shit. You getting this on video?
Yeah. But he's not gonna leave until you get him some food.
Well, I guess he's going to the airport then.
That's the guy he can ride on his bike. We're getting on the highway, dude. That engine's gonna get hot for his little footies. He's our ornament. He might be hurt and can't fly.
What are you looking at?
He decided to eat it. They were stopping traffic. People are doing a double take. Bye!
That was the funniest shit.